Hello guys, today I'm just gonna show you how to get the input from a user and use that input. So we will, let's just, okay, I don't want to make it too long, just a simple tutorial, so I'll make it an edit box, and then when okay, so edit box, we can number swap. Okay, now let me just first show you, and then we can do a little project. Okay, so what we're going to use is two edit boxes and a button. So you go into the button and you just, okay, so you go into your button, you go to the code, and you just want to declare one or two stuff. Let's just say number one. Okay, I always use real, but integer is common, so let's say integer, and then we can begin. Okay, so if you look at your uh, design, and you look here at your form, you'll see there's an edit 1 and an edit 2. That's what it's called. So for you, okay, so first you're gonna, okay, well, you have your declared thingy majiggy. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna store it. So you're gonna say number 1, so you want number 1 to equal to your edit box 1, because number 1 is gonna, whatever is typed into the edit box will be stored as number 1. Okay, so we are working with the integer, and we're also gonna typecast. So when we typecast is, we're gonna, okay, so we're working with, keep in mind we're working with the integer, so you're gonna say string string to int. So you're converting it, okay, and in brackets we're gonna say your edit 1 and then text, because it takes the text from edit 1 and it stores it as number 1. Okay, so let's declare, okay, that's how you get the input from a user and store it as something. Now you can use number 1 for something else. You can quickly build a basic calculator, so you're gonna say number 2, and then we're gonna say sum. Okay, so then we do the same for number 2, and we say number 2 is we're gonna string to int, and we're gonna say edit 2. We're using edit 2 this time, dot text, because if we use edit 1 we're just gonna confuse this too. So both, well, the edit is gonna be both. Yeah, well, the value is gonna be both. Okay, after that you want just a basic plus sum, so you're gonna say your sum is gonna be number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and we're working with a button, so when the button is clicked it's just gonna plus those two. Oh shit, you guys can't see, but anyways, just know it works. And 1 plus 2, okay, guys, I forgot something. You're gonna need a label to display what you actually, the sum. You're gonna have to display the sum into the label. So we'll put a label there. You're still working with your code, but now sorry, now you're just gonna label 1 dot caption equals, since we're working with the int and we use string to int, all I do is I look what I used and I just flip it. So string to int was first, and now we're gonna use int to string, and then we're gonna say display sum. And when we run that and we put edit box value 1 and we give it a value of 1, and do the same for 2 and give it a value of 2, it would display 3, since we said number 1 plus number 2, and number 1 is edit box 1 and number 2 is edit box 2. Okay, that's just a simple, yeah, just a simple project and just showing you guys. Next, I can handle bigger number, irrational numbers, well, rational, sorry, and you can go from there.